What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Techie Rod checking in. Boom. Got a new project working on. It is a Dell E15. No, it's a Dell E1705. It's a 17-inch laptop that I got for free, and I actually like it, man. They're kind of old laptops, but they work really good. And I ordered. Come to find out that the logic board was bad in it. My buddy thought it was the graphics card, but I'm willing to bet you it's the logic board, the motherboard. So I went on eBay, did what I do, found a nice cheap used but in really great condition logic board for it, and I'm going to be doing the install for you, and I will show you uh, everything play by play. White walls in the tire slim, how a player crawl, turn the cruising into a player's ball. Midwest nigga to the armor raw, Vicky shorts and Jordan 4s, nugget rings and herringbones. Welcome to my terror dome. Black magic, push a button, then the roof is gone. We've been black passing till the mouth is gone. We just in our zone, vibe until we get home. Spaceship travels all the way into the. Alrighty, so here we go. Let's get started. First, anti-static gloves. They are a must. Anti-static gloves are the best. Now, actually, they suck. They're really uncomfortable, and they take some getting used to. But safety first, you know. When you're doing this kind of stuff, you wanna have everything. Safety. I am really excited, man. I really cannot wait to get this big old computer running. Ratting by these haters, man, they hard pressed. And my new ish bumping in my CD deck. Intelligent trunk music for the elite. King Kong trunk tearing up the street a mile away. You can hear it when I pull up. You can tell by my car, got a drug dealer spirit. If I can turn the wheel with one finger, I'll steer it. Automatic spaceships, and I don't need no lead jets. I pilot the Impala and scroll through the projects. Gold on my neck, that's a code of respect. Stock everything out, that's how we roll in my set. Chevelle the Corvette, big blocks on the inside. Rest in peace to my homie Big Fry. He taught me how to tilt, crank the sounds and then ride. Spaceship travelers, niggas been fly. And I. Alright. So there you have it. You have the GPU, which I'm hoping is not the problem. I'm pretty sure it was his motherboard that was the issue. I've cleaned both fans out. All fans have been cleaned and everything's ready to go. So I'll just swap out the boards and I will get right back to you. Peace. Can I turn it off? I need my gloves. Alright, so I've already swapped the old board, which is right here. And this is the new board that I am in the process of installing right now. I just have to get it put in there and get it going. So we're halfway there. Everything's out. GPU, CPU heatsink. And when I get it up and back in there, I'll continue on.